Emergencies don't come with a warning. Whether it's choking, cardiac arrest, or bleeding, in situations like these every second matters. That's where Smart First Aid app comes in. Simply browse emergency categories and instantly access first aid guidance. Need quick answers? Our AI assistant provides instant first aid guidance. Can't type during an emergency? Just use voice search to instantly find the help that you need so you can save time. Locate nearby hospitals and ambulance services using GPS. With support for both English and Urdu, Smart First Aid makes information accessible to more people. Securely store medical profiles for yourself and your family, including blood groups, allergies, medications. Unable to speak during an emergency? Smart First Aid's emergency wallpaper displays details like your blood group and contacts on your lock screen. Smart First Aid app brings together intelligent assistance, emergency guidance, and essential medical information, all in one powerful app. Be prepared. Stay informed. Because every second counts.